Hi, this is Gavin the Fire Alarm Simon Guy here, and today I'm gonna be doing a huge fire alarm tour at this hotel in San Antonio. I forgot what it was called, but it's gonna be a pretty big tour. So stay tuned. Okay, for starters, we're going to start out in my hotel room. We got this some sort of horn or speaker. I don't know what that is. We got a snorkel horn. Why won't you focus? Oh. If you guys know the model number on this, please let me know. It could be a system sensor max horn. Only, I don't know. Let me know. Okay, right here. Got a system sensor L series speaker strobe. Another L series. Right here we got a system sensor Max, the newer model. We got a notifier NBG10 LX behind a stopper. Got another L series speaker strobe. Another system sensor Max. Gotta be quiet. L series speaker strobe, smoke detector. Another Max. Another NBG10. Smoke detector. Max. Another Max. And a Fire NBG10 with a Spectral Advanced speaker strobe. Okay, now we're on fourth ship. We got a notifier NBG10 behind the stopper, and then we walk E70 speaker strobe. I gotta be careful. LCD speaker strobe. A BG10 and a system sensor Max. Okay. Right here we got another notifier NBG10 Max. Snoke. Exit sign.
Floor 7.
Alright, we're on the 7th floor. Okay, got a system sensor Max and a notifier NBG12 LX. And there you get a Spectral Classic strobe only. Spectral Classic strobe only with a smoke detector. Nothing here. extinguisher mats. L series speaker strobe. And another notifier MPG10. And above that is another system sensor mats. Okay, we got the ones on the fourth floor. Okay, we got MBG10 mats. MBG10 mats, and in the garage there's more system sensor mats. Another system sensor mats. Another notifier NBG10 LX and system sensor mats. This is the third floor. BG10 with system sensor L series speaker strobe. L series speaker strobe. BG10. Alright, just know I don't go everywhere in the video. Alright, we got another BG10 LX and mats and smoke detector. Okay. We're gonna go down to the second floor now. Okay, right there we got a system sensor mats on the second floor. And right here, I believe it's a system sensor spectral with classic speaker strobe. I want to say. And of course, we got a notifier BG10. Okay, we're going to the first floor, and this is going to be pretty risky. I'm looking for classic strobe. BG10 and mats. Notifier MBG10 and mats. Right here we got like a WeWalk RS ceiling unit, strobe only. Got another one right over there without the cover. Okay, this does not look good. A notifier NBG10 behind a stopper walked by this booth, and we got a system sensor mats. Notifier annunciator with another system sensor mats. Okay, right here in the western, we got a white system sensor spectral classic remote strobe in the bathroom. Okay, we're in the Riverwalk meeting rooms. We got Notify MBG10, Mass. I don't think I'm supposed to be here. Mass. Classic. BG10, Mass. Let's go. Walk. Yeah, no, I don't think I'm supposed to be going up there. Okay, now we're back where we started. Thanks for watching this Fire 01 tour, and I hope to see you in the next video.